Take a look at this Pormido Mirror Dash Cam. When you are in your car, it will automatically turn on. No worries if your smartphone or tablet is dead or missing. You can still use this product to record everything behind your car. Pormido Dash Cam is easily mounted on your windshield. The mounting bracket can be rotated 360 degrees, which allows you to adjust the direction to your liking. Pormido Dash Cam is equipped with a 12-inch larger IPS full screen. The image is clearer and brighter. You can also see more details when you are in the dark. Pormido Dash Cam is equipped with multi-functions and 32GB SD card included, support up to 128GB. You can use this product to record or take still photos. You can play it back on your television with the included HDMI cable. Specification. Are batteries included? No. Brand, Pormido. Screen size, 12 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH, 11.4 by 2.7 by 0.6 inches. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Display type, LCD. Control method, touch. Auto part position, rear. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Real angle of view, 170 degrees.